Hi, this is Denise Mathew, and today I'm going to make these Love Knot spacer bead earrings. They're pretty simple. All you need is a pear-shaped bead on the bottom and a rondelle for the top and 2 Love Knot spacers. So let's get started. I've already made a tutorial on how to make these Love Knot spacer beads, but if you don't want to learn how to make those, that's absolutely fine. You can always find these. A lot of people sell them on Etsy, so you can have a check. I'm using a 10mm by 7mm pear-shaped pearl, and it's not flat, it's quite three-dimensional, and that's kind of what you need for this project. So I added the pearl onto a head pin that's about 4 inches long, and it's about 26 gauge wire, and then after that you just add the 2 spacer beads. Now they're going to be loose when you first put them on, but after you finish the earring and do a closed loop on top, that will all tighten up the whole earring and keep it in place so it won't jiggle as much. But you might have to still adjust it accordingly. So then I just add the rondelle bead, and that's an 8mm rose quartz. So once that's on, you're just going to try and stack everything in a way that you like it, because it will have a tendency, as you can see, it's sliding sideways. But you want to make it sure that it's as straight as possible before you finish your finished loop at the end, at the top. Now I'm just going to do a 90-degree angle on the top of the rondelle, and you want to try and make sure your beads are staying nicely together when you do it, and you see it slid again, so again, just readjust and make it the way you want it to be for your finished earring. And then you're just going to take your round nose pliers and wrap the wire right around the round nose pliers, and when you're doing that, you're trying to push down a little bit on the rondelle to keep everything in line, because again, you want to have it the way you want it to look when you're all done. Now, once it's all secure and tight and the way you want it, everything's lined up, again, you can still adjust as you go, and you're tightening as the wire goes down the as you wrap down, you are going to be tightening the earring, so it's going to be in place much better than if before you did your wrapped loop. So you're going to wrap down as much as you need to make sure your whole earring is secure, and then when you have as much as you want, then you can trim it back. Then you're just going to tuck all that wire in to make sure that there's nothing sharp that will catch on your clothes when you're wearing the earring, and keep it nice and tight. You can straighten out the loop if it's gone sideways, because you want it nice and straight so the earring will hang nice, and then that would be your finished earring. And the last thing you're going to do is just add an ear wire. Just open it up and hook your earring on. Then just close your ear wire, and you're completed. And then you would have your earring. So just make another one like that, and then you have a pair. So this completes the tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.